Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I am going to guide you how to share the mobile screen on laptop using Windows 11. So you just need to add on one feature on your Windows. So just click on your setting icon. Just we need to click on the start menu, then click on setting. You can also search here the setting like this and you should able to come over to this page. Now once you come over to this setting page, you need to click on system, and on the system you need to scroll down until you find the optional features. Okay, once you click on optional features, you need to click on view features, and inside here we need to download one feature, that is wireless display. As you can see here, this is the wireless display. Click on OK and click on next, and you need to add the wireless display feature on your Windows 11 laptop. Make sure you are connected with the internet, and it should not be connected with the metered connection. So if you are facing any issues while adding the wireless display, you just need to make sure that you are not turn on the meter connection on your Windows, or you can restart your Windows laptop and then you can try it here. So wireless display is added now after waiting for 10 to 15 minutes. If you are facing any kind of issues while adding it, I will link a video. You can fix this issue. As you can see here, it is added now. So once it is added successfully, go back once, and then we need to go to projecting this PC. So once you come over to this screen, you need to click on always off. Just click on that option and select here available everywhere, and ask the project to this PC. You need to click on this drop down menu and just select here first time only, and required pin for pairing, so select here never, and just turn on this PC. Now once you turn on this PC, just open the wireless display on your mobile. Okay, just turn it on, and I have taken this virtual machine, so that's why it is not saying that does not support. On your screen you should able to see Windows 11 is ready for you to connect wirelessly, and your computer name should be coming up over there. So now you need to come over to the mobile, connect with the same Wi-Fi option. So once you open the mobile, you need to make sure you're connected with the same network. Okay, connect with the same Wi-Fi. Now once you connect with the same Wi-Fi, we need to look for screen mirror multi-screen related service. Click on screencast or screen mirroring or multicast, whatever option you have, you just need to select that option. So on your computer you need to accept the mirror screencast wireless display with the mobile phone. It will spin around and it will automatically connected with your laptop. So this is how guys you can screencast mirrorcast the mobile to laptop. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.